Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Here today, looking at the IGO at VVS Finance. Getting ready to plunge in here and just making sure I meet all the requirements. All right. All right, you need to have 10 million VVS staked in the glitter mines. And I do. I was well in advance. So, what we have to do here is we have to enable this offering, I guess, and it's going to cost some money to do it. Interesting. Okay. Well, it looks like the cost per single is 5 cents. They want to raise 250K. I'm going to put some money in here, and what we need to do is we need to add liquidity. So they want liquidity pool funds, LPs. So CRO VVS is the liquidity fund of choice here. We got to get VVS LP tokens and stake VVS and CRO in the liquidity pool to get the tokens. You'll spend them to buy IGO sale. All right, then we got to commit the tokens. All right. I guess when that comes out, we'll be able to do that because I haven't seen how to do that just yet. I'm guessing that'll be a new option. And then claim the tokens once the thing's over. And hopefully it'll go pretty quickly. 250K is a pretty low number. So I anticipate this won't last very long. If you guys are waiting to do this, I would be there early. So, okay, let's go over here. Wow, I'm really taking a hit here in the liquidity mine. Oh, the farms are not doing well. All right, I started out here with a few $100, and I'm down to $100. That's horrible. Not good, not good. All right, guys. I guess we're just gonna add some liquidity here. I guess I'll stake it as well. Might see how we do this. All right, hold on. Let's. All right. First, we want to claim everything. Make sure we're cleaned up there. Yeah, we claimed about $4.40 some cents. Okay, CRO's about 46 cents now, so it takes money to make money, right? I don't have any liquidity yet, so I have to make some more liquidity in the liquidity pool. I don't know, do I want to swap more into VVS? I might have to. I have 128 CRO. Let's go back here and look at the farm. All right. I think I need to add some more VVS so I balance out with the CRO that I've got, so we can then subsequently stake it after we add liquidity to the pool. So first things first, swap CRO to VVS. Now, right now the rates are pretty good. All right, VVS has been dropping like a rock, so I don't think it's going to go down a whole lot further right now. But either way, we're pretty close to the sale, so it's not going to matter so much, right? We're within 17 hours of the sale. Let's just get this done. Swap some more CRO into VVS. I know a lot of people are swapping CRO, VVS for CRO now because VVS has dropped like a rock. But I'm doubling down. I'm going to put some more VVS in. Cash in some of my CRO, I guess. I don't know. We'll see how this works out, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this single token worth it? I don't know. Maybe. First IGO I've ever participated in. So let's add liquidity. All right. You saw how I did that. All right. Well, I guess this is the liquidity pool. All right. We're getting 52 CRO. 678,000 VVS, and it's going to cost a little bit to do. Wow, again with the fees. Come on, guys. I thought it was supposed to be a low fee environment. I guess it's way better than Ethereum still. Okay, I can't another fee. Okay, great. 1.3 CRO. Man, I'm spending money left and right. At least a CRO is only 46 cents, right? Ethereum is a little bit higher. I know the gas fees are kind of nuts. So I shouldn't complain too much. But let's see how this works out in the end. So far, not working out so good. Alright. So I should probably add this liquidity into the farm. But let's wait and see how this works out. I might wait to get a little closer to add the liquidity to a farm. I think I might have to at some point to get the LP tokens and swapping them over for the single token. We'll see. But I should have enough now to complete the transaction. I think I'll have... I should have enough. Alright. I have... okay, let's look at the mine. I have 10 million in the mine. Alright, that's good. Tonic, I could mine for Tonic. I don't know what you guys think about Tonic. All these new cryptos rolling out on the Crypto.com blockchain. It's cool, but I don't know. I'm still unsure. It's brand new, so it could go either way. It could crash and burn. Crypto.com stands behind it. It could be good. I think ultimately it'll be good. It's a good thing. Do I want to swap some more CRO VVS? I don't know. I'm running kind of low. 74. I guess I'll do another batch here, just so I have some free VVS floating around, and I have some CRO still on my wallet, just in case I need to add some more liquidity for this thing tomorrow, and then 17 hours from now or so, and we'll see how this works out. Let me know what you guys think about this whole single VVS Finance deal. So far, I have not fared well. Obviously, I'm down to under $500 now, and I have over $800 invested. So, that's a net loss, and that's what we call in the crypto industry bad. Loss, bad. Gain, good. But I think in the long run, we're going to be okay. I think VVS is going to come back along with Bitcoin and everything else. Once Bitcoin starts going up again, it's gonna make it happen. This thing is gonna go up. All right, Bitcoin's been hanging around 40K. This thing's been losing value like crazy. We'll see. We'll see how that works out. All right, guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates on